What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Christmas Curious George. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two small circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. So we're going to start on the bottom left, go all the way around, and back in towards the bottom. Just line it up on the right side. Now along the top of each pupil, draw a small circle for highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, add a curve from left to right, going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to step down, start with a point in the center, angle the nostril going up and out toward the left and right side. And then from the ends, we're just going to curl this around and just tuck that in towards the side. We'll fill in the inside of the nostrils. Now we're going to move down and draw the top of the mouth. Let's line up with the outside of the left eye, come all the way down to right about here. Curve the mouth, coming down, go across, and then bend that up. Let's add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. Now I want to open up the mouth, so we're going to come down, just round out the bottom. So let's start on the left side, coming down with an angled line, round out the bottom, go across, and then up towards the right. Just place the tongue across the bottom, starting on the left, go up, pull that down to create a fold, step back, curve this up, and then down. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, all the way over towards the side of the head, curve this around the mouth, come down, and then in towards the chin. Let's round out the chin, going across, around the corner of the mouth, and then bend that in. Let's tuck the ears in behind the cheeks. We're going to start up here, curl this around, and bend that back in. And then along the top, just going to add a curve, just tracing the inside edge of the ears. Now I'm going to place the Santa hat on top of the head. So let's start from the cheek. We're going to add a series of curves going around and up, go on top of the left eye. Now we're just going to work our way across at an angle, going above the right eye, then out to right about there. Let's add some hair coming out. We'll go up and out, pull this down and in towards the side of the head. Let's add another one, going out and up, coming down and then in. That's going to round out the side of the head, coming down towards the ear. Let's build out the side of the hat brim, starting on top of the ear, and add those curves going around towards the top. Let's go to the side of the head on the right. Just going to work our way around the hair and go up towards the top. Let's close off the top with those series of curves. Now let's add that trim going around the face. Let's start underneath the hat on the left, curve around the eye and in, go around the corner of the mouth, and then down towards the chin. Let's go up underneath the hat on the right side, going around the eye, bend that in, go around the mouth, and then down towards the bottom. Now over on the left side, we're going to add a fold for the hat. We're going to go up and then in. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to work our way up towards the top peak of the hat, to right about there. It's going to add a fold, going across and then down. Now from here, we're going to draw a pom-pom along the end with a series of the small curves going around the outside. We're just going to tuck this in behind the ear, and then we'll close off the top, and then sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Christmas Curious George. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.